Hi there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 430d Grand Coupe here at your next car. So I'll give you a walk around the vehicle and talk you through some of the options and spec we have on this particular vehicle. So starting with the outside, of course you'll see it's got the Your Next Car Performance Kit, which is fitted all in-house. On this particular vehicle we've gone for the satin front splitter, gloss black kidney grills. It also has the 19-inch BMW LA Shadow Edition wheels, which we've had fully refurbished in mineral grey, which look absolutely fabulous with the contrast of the black of the body colour. It has the BMW Angel Light and Xenon headlamps. Down the side we've got the black sidebars and then performance decals. It has privacy glass. Inside the vehicle we have the black Dakota leather with the memory function driver side and electric function passenger side. It is also heated front leather, multi-function M Sport steering wheel, and we'll get into the other option and extras in just a moment. Moving on into the back, where it is of course all nice and clean and tidy, much like the rest of the car, and of course all ISOFIX ready as well. We have a gloss black rear boot spoiler, satin rear diffuser, and your 430d badges. The Grand Coupes all have a automatic opening and closing tailgate and a extremely large boot space. The seats do also fold down as well if you do require that bit of extra space. Okay, so we also have the Grand Piano black trim door card inserts, dashboard, and then the brushed aluminium centre console piece, and there is the electric controls for the passenger seats. We have the body colour gloss black air breather for the brakes, but on both front wings. Okay, so I'll get down inside and just talk through some of them further options and spec we have on inside the vehicle. So the multi-function M Sport steering wheel we've been through, it has the 8-speed sport gearbox with paddle shift, cruise control with speed limiter, voice controls, volume controls, the heated seats which we spoke about. Being a 66 Reg 2016, it also benefits from having the updated facelifted iDrive with professional wide navigation and media. We have Bluetooth communications as well as media, and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well, including DAB, AUX and USB. The vehicle has covered at just over 64,000 as you can see there, and it is not due a service, and for my memory serves me right, we've got 17,000, so no service required for a good amount of time just yet. So that is pretty much going to finish off the walk around video for the 430d Grand Coupe. Okay, so we hope you found the video useful, and of course we hope to see you very soon here at your next car. Thank you very much for watching, take care and goodbye.